everyone. Good morning. I'm glad that you guys came back to join me today for a morning meeting. I hope you had a great night last night. I think it's supposed to be a little stormy today. So, Henry, he's so out of control. Every time he hears me start talking to the camera, he has to run and sprint down to see what I'm doing. All right, all done. Okay, so let's start our morning meeting with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. If you want to press pause, go listen to the Pledge of Allegiance song, and then after you're finished, come back and we will do our morning greetings. Okay, morning greeting time. Whoever is in the room with you, your mom, your dad, your siblings, your step-parents, your grandma, your grandpa, whoever, if you want to wave, if you can wave to them, if you want to smile, if you just want to look at them, just show them that you're there and you're looking at them, or if you can say hi, maybe say hi if you're able to, or you could say hi to me, hello. It's so nice to see you, and I'm so glad that you are watching this video today. If you want to press pause, go to the good morning song, come back, and we will get to our morning message. Okay, today is June 10th, 2020. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. I will read a book today. Love, Miss Mary. Now, it's supposed to be, I think, stormy and not nice today. We'll see if that happens, but that's what I heard, and it was a little gloomy this morning, so I thought it would be a good day to read a book because it's not the nicest out. So that is what I'm going to do today. I had a student, one of our friends from our classroom, send me a picture of their morning message and what she was going to do, and she was doing reading and speech that day, and it was so nice to see her and see that she was doing a morning message. So if you do your morning message and maybe your mom or your dad or whoever is with you maybe could send me a picture of your morning message with you, because it was so nice to see that one student, and I'm so glad that she sent me that picture. It really made my day. So if I could see more of yours, that would be awesome. It would really make my day. So if you're able to, please send me one, okay? All right. If you want to press pause, go to the Beautiful Day song and come back, and we will get to our calendar time. All right. Today is Wednesday. The month is June. The day is the 10th. And the year is 2020. So today is Wednesday, June 10th, 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. We are in the season of spring. And right now, it was sunny when I came down here. But it is supposed to be rainy, and there might be a chance of thunderstorms or tornadoes later tonight. I guess that's what they said, that the weather, or the way that the weather is a perfect condition for tornadoes. So who knows? Hopefully we don't get that. And it's supposed to be warm or hot today. So yeah. If you want to press pause, go to the Days of the Week wrap, and then come back and we will finish our calendar time with counting. All right, today we have to count it all the way to number 10. So we have to count from 1 to 10. Are we ready? Get set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's it. That's it for me for today. Don't forget to go listen to the number rock after you are finished watching here. And I did upload the science experiment for the week, so make sure you check that out if you do not have the materials for the science experiment yourself. It was a good one. It was the milk magic experiment, and it was cool. Also, I will be posting story time a little later today, so make sure you check that out also. All right, you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, bye.